the Blitzwolf FYE5 earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Blitzwolf FYE5 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and mic samples, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with your user manual, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The FYE5s features 2 hours of listening time, 8 hours with the case. It takes about 2 hours to charge the earbuds and the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX6 sweat and water resistant. The overall design is very small and compact. It has a textured finish all around and it's plastic. It provides a decent grip. And you can see the Blitzwolf branding printed on the front. On the back of the case, you'll find the micro USB charge port. And here it is next to the Apple AirPods case, just for a size reference. The lid has a tight feel to it and it uses magnets. Once opened, you will see the status charge LED for the case. And the earbuds are easy to remove and are secured into place by magnets. You can also see the left and right ear indicators etched in the case. The earbuds have a simple ergonomic design with the button controls on the outside. The earbuds feature a microphone, status LED, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.4 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 30 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples followed by a microphone sample. This is a test of the Blitzwolf microphone in a noisy setting. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Blitzwolf FYE5 microphone. The earbuds can be used individually, left or right side. I had no issues with pairing and it was instant. Testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. This may vary depending on your device and your apps used. Connection was stable and I didn't experience any disconnects in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Blitzwolf FYE5. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Comfort was on point for me. It was easy to put on and it had a very snug fit. Button controls are responsive and it doesn't require a hard press to navigate playback and call controls. It had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. I like the mini compact design of the case. It feels durable along with the earbuds, and it had a nice grip to it. My only gripe would be the lackluster battery life, coming in at 2 hours and with a total of 8 with the case. The IP6 rating is a plus, and this can be used for casual listening and workouts. When it comes to sound, the bass is definitely prominent. You get that punchy kick to it, but it's not too overwhelming. Mids and highs come in clean and clear as you heard from the music samples. I would describe it as almost being in line with the MPOW T5s. The overall sound is balanced with just the right amount of bass, but it's not too deep. And during my testing, I did notice a slight hissing sound when pausing and stopping the audio. The microphone quality also comes in a bit low for my liking. So overall, the small compact design is definitely appealing, and having the IPX rating will ensure you'll be protected from the elements. It has its pluses and minuses, but the price point that this is in provides good value in my opinion, for those that are seeking a budget pair. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.